Hello there, students. A fun little thing happened recently, and Java made a few changes in their latest update. Java is a very important piece of software that can run other software, and I don't know, I don't really understand it myself. It's just a bunch of smoke and mirrors. But anyway, it's important, I know that. And it runs a lot of things like certain things that your teachers give you to do, certain activities on the internet, certain little video interactive sort of stuff. It's important for a lot of different things. If you come across an error like this, and your teacher has given you an assignment or told you to do an assignment or an activity or something, and it's just not working because it looks like this sort of thing, and if you click on it and you get this nasty message that says application blocked, click for details. That probably has to do with the new Java settings as of, like, I forget when it was, mid-January, early January, I think it changed. You can get in the details if you want, whatever. This isn't really going to help you out very much. You can try and reload it all you want, but it's just going to be blocked. And here we are. Here's what you can do about that, though. You can add this site to your trusted sites in Java, and at that point, it won't block anything anymore. So here's what that looks like. You are going to go, get rid of you, into your search function, and if you're a Windows 8 machine, you just come over here until you get to like the magnifying glass. Works about the same. But you're going to search out Java. And what you want is configure Java. You want this thing right here. So once you click on it, you're going to get a screen that looks a little bit like this. This is where you want to be. You want to get into the security settings because that's what's blocking you. And you want to edit the site list. So once you click on that, you can add a site to Java, and Java will be like, oh, okay, you're on the list. I guess I'll let you through. It's kind of the short answer to this thing. What is the site we want to add again? Oh, yeah, it's this. I'd suggest, though, instead of adding this entire big thing, because then it's only one page, I would just go up until the first slash mark. And what that does is if I take, for example, college.cengage.com, and I don't do anything past that, what that's going to do is pretty much unlock anything from college.cengage.com. It's going to open page 1.html, page 2.html, the whole site. It's going to be on the list. If I copy this whole URL up here, that's only one page. I'm going to have to unlock the second page later and the third page later. Pain in the butt. So what you should do, copy the whole thing, there we go. Just going to copy that part up until the first slash. So get all the dots, everything up to .com or .edu or .org or whatever, everything before that first slash. And I'm going to put that in here. I need to add, and then I'm going to come up here and paste it. Boom. So does that match? It adds the HTTP, which is good. And there we go. So I'm going to add it. Okay. So it's going to say, hey, are you sure you want to do that? Of course I am. Why question me? Okay. Okay. Now it should work after this. Should being the operative term. What I'm going to notice, though, on this page in particular, if I hit refresh, it's still not working. Of course not, right? And you get this other message that says, hey, it's blocked because you unlocked this, college.cengage.com, but the actual Java file is located somewhere else. It's on http college.hmco.com, right? So now here I am, and I'm like, whoa, you got to add that other thing to the list. It's a pain in the butt, but here we are. So do the same thing. Java, configure Java. I would keep this window open because then you can, copy what you need to copy. Go over to security. I'm going to add something else to the list. Move you over. Add. And what you want to do is copy. Again, you want to copy up to that first slash after the com. You need to put in the HTTP part, //colege.hmco.com. So does this match? I got to make sure I get it just right up until that first slash .com. Okay. Add. Yes, I want to continue. Yes, okay. Yes, okay. All right, so we're going to cross our fingers. Hopefully we've unlocked or allowed everything involved in this thing. Let's hit the old refresh button. Hey, 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 there we go. So generally, you only need to do this, right? Because generally this file, this Java file, is going to be saved in the same place that the site is. I don't know why it wouldn't. In this case, it wasn't, though. So if you still are blocked after the first instance of adding a site, look at that pop-up window, look for the second URL, and you're going to have to add that to the safe sites also. Kind of technical, kind of nerdy, kind of a pain in the butt, but here we are. That's how you get it to work. And so if you have any questions, please contact me. My name is Ryan Self. I am the technology nerd for the Virtual Academy, and here's my email address. Give me an email and I'll see what I can do to help you out if these instructions are not helping with your situation. Hopefully they do help you, and hopefully you can unlock any sort of blocked Java silliness with that security settings added to the list sort of feature.